Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adesola. New year, please do not forget to subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Yes, click it now. Last week I said to myself, you know what girl, no wearing of wigs, waves, making your hair, nothing. You're just going to be on your natural hair. So after making this very great decision, I decided I was going to go on YouTube. I went on YouTube actually to search for hairstyles to take me through the week, how to style my natural hair. And guess what? Everything I was finding was either too dramatic and I wouldn't want to wear it, or they're not just nice. They were giving me styles like this, like who does that? So that is why you have me on today's show. Not talking about anything but to show you guys how to style your natural hair. If you do not want to wear your wigs, you're tired of wearing waves, because you know what, let's go natural. These are the ways to style your hair. So today I'll be doing hair tutorials on how to style this hair style and this one. Yes, I hope you guys enjoy today's episode. So yes, now my hair is brushed and then I added some water for me to be able to detangle it. Now I'll be adding my leave-in conditioner. I will put in my gel. Yes, this is the gel I'm using today. I'm trying not to be all over the place with the gel. Next, after adding my gel, so now I'm going with this brush, the natural hair slick. So I used brush to run through like I did the first one. It means I have something like what I have here in two separate arms. If you have bobby pins, these pins use to hold it down, like something like this. You might decide to leave it like this, or so basically this is what we have now. This is there. Up here like this. Do not forget your edges. So now still have my hair in two parts, making the fringe bun. I have to brush my hair up like this. Yes, do not forget, this is after I already added leave-in conditioner, water and gel. For the fringe bun, yes, you might be needing the fringe, whichever way you want it. Bobby pins. Don't forget bobby pins on the same day, because you do not want your hair coming out in public or coming off in public. So yes, use the bobby pin to hold it down. This one go like this. So yes, thank you all for tuning in today. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you all for joining me in today's episode of my YouTube channel. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.